be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been informed that the jury has announced that they have a verdict. Before we accept the verdict, I just want to say a few things before the jury comes into the courtroom. I know that this has been an emotional case for both sides, and that emotions are raw, and your feelings are riding very high right now. But for over 250 years, we have resolved our differences in this fashion. Respect for the jury's work is paramount because they have a very hard job to do. We are here to respect their work, whether we agree with it or we disagree with it. The decorum of the court will be maintained. I will not permit any outbursts, expressions of emotions, disagreements, or agreements with a verdict. Any violations of the rule will be met swiftly. So you must remain seated and stoic while we accept the verdict. If you want to disagree with it, you'll do that outside of the courtroom. If you don't think you can stomach the pressure of this, then please leave the courtroom right now. Bring the jury. Okay. All rise for the jury. Jury seated, Your Honor. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been informed that there is a verdict. Number 48, are you the foreperson? Would you fold the verdict in half and hand it to the bailiff, please? Will the defendant please rise? The verdict appears to be in proper order. In the Circuit Court, 4th Judicial Circuit, in and for Clay County, Florida. State of Florida versus Othal Wallace. Case number 2021-303-347 CFDB. We, the jury, find the defendant, Othal Wallace, as follows, as to count 1 on the indictment. Guilty of the lesser included offense of manslaughter. Special findings. If you find the defendant guilty of manslaughter, do you also find beyond a reasonable doubt that during the commission of the offense, the defendant carried or used a firearm? Yes. So say we all. Juror number 48. Madam Clerk, hold the jury.
Juror 125, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 117, is this your true verdict? Juror 33, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 48, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror 65, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 74, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 98, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 35, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 54, is this your true verdict? Yes. Juror 74, is this your true verdict? Or Juror 70, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Juror 121, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror 90, is this your true verdict?
Okay, thank you. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that our jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair so long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you're also at liberty to refuse to speak with anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might seek to find fault with you, from the media, from the attorneys, or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether or not you wish to preserve your privacy as a juror. I'm going to ask you just to step into the jury room, and we have some additional paperwork for you, and then we'll formally release you from jury service. All rise for jury. Okay, Mr. Wallace, the jury having found you guilty, I'm going to go ahead and order you be taken into custody. A bond will be revoked. And is either side asking for a pre-sentence investigation, or you are asking for a pre-sentence investigation? I'll order a pre-sentence investigation. I'll schedule sentencing probably 60 days down the line. I don't have a date right now. So we will just, is there anything else we need to address?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will be adjourned. Thank you.